Christopher Budd here with the Corcoran Group in a beautiful Upper West Side, 72nd Street, right off Riverside Park. Quiet, lovely pre-war apartment that has been gut renovated with all the pre-war details, which may not have even existed in the original apartment. But there are a lot of original details here, such as arches, and I think the moldings were done recently, but they look very authentic. So this looks pretty much as though someone had imagined it in the early 1900s and completely renovated it for the 2010s, 20s, whatever we are in now. So it has all the amenities that you need in the apartment, including a washer dryer, a beautiful kitchen. This is a living dining area here, but there's also a breakfast nook or a dining area off the kitchen. So that's sort of a separate half room there. Anyway, without much further ado, let's give you a tour of this beautiful apartment. As you can see, they're lovely sort of casement windows onto 72nd Street. And this beautiful hardwood, it's sort of an old parquet, so it's very well finished, heavy parquet. And the furniture here all is beautifully suited, so it's almost like it's staged, but it's not. This is how people had it. And obviously, if you need some of the furniture, we may be able to figure that out. But it's all their personal belongings and artwork and everything that makes it look so beautiful in the apartment that they hand redecorated from scratch. They got it as pretty much a wreck. And here we go, off to the living room. While we're in the living room, you can see I have it set up pretty nicely. Apart from the furniture and the art, the windows are very artistic with the little grating out there. You're in a very quiet part of 72nd Street. Obviously, no problem getting taxis, but you see them, not hear them. And then as we go back into the living room, we see that I was actually sitting in the dining room for a little bit, and that's a pretty decent table. We've got 6 chairs there right now. Could even have more if you were entertaining. But this is a nice small apartment for somebody who lives a very decent quiet life with a few people over. But it's not like a huge entertaining space. It is for someone who's fairly private and wants to enjoy their space without anyone ruining it. As you can see, there are these beautiful arches, and this is the entry to the apartment. It's a fairly decent long entryway. There is a closet here. That's the front door. Boutique building here. It's not tiny, but it's got the elevator. You can see it's a coat closet. I don't have a lot of light in there, but there is an elevator operator, which is very unique. Less and less New York buildings have that now. Many of them are being converted to the elevators you operate with buttons, and even if someone presses the button for you, it's not the same. So here we go with some more of the artwork here, which obviously belongs to them, but really is beautifully displayed by the apartment. We do have not a powder room, but a full bathroom here, or 2 bathrooms. So this one actually has a closet in it. It's a shower stall, as you can see. Some nice artwork and linen closet, or not maybe linen, but some knickknacks. I can't get the whole closet in this lens. And then out we go again. So the guests can use that, and it's kind of like a powder room, except it also has a shower. And here we go into the bedroom. So it's a very good sized bedroom. I believe we have a queen size bed in here. I'm sure a king size bed would fit as well. A lot of floor space here, as you can see. And again, the same beautiful quiet windows that you have in the living room. They're facing over 72nd Street. You have shades you can pull down. And an ensuite bathroom, which has a window, and also a full tub and shower setup. There are obviously shades you can pull down for the privacy of the bathroom, but it's nice to have a window. And back we go into the bedroom, where we have some closets. One of them happens to be a washer-dryer closet. So you don't need to go outside for your laundry, although the building does have its own laundry room. You have your own right here. Second closet over here for clothes. And then we head on. We see they have a nice little television set here. And off we go. This is the breakfast nook I was telling you about. Dining for two. Plenty of room. You probably put a big dining table in here, or a bed if you wanted to have someone stay in this room. And you have a waiter, who will not be here because it's just artwork. But a lovely little pass-through window, all new appliances, a very neat, well-done kitchen. Got a refrigerator with a freezer drawer at the bottom, 3 drawers. So very neat, well done. Beautiful Italian stove, and gas, of course, gas burners. Lots of closets, cabinet space here. So it's pretty generous. And then there's also plenty down here. And a nice deep sink. Lots of beautiful lighting. And another set of drawers down here. So you look into the dining nook. Back to the living room. Through another beautiful arch. And there you have it. So it's sort of a junior floor here with a big living dining area, a breakfast nook or spot for an office bedroom next to the kitchen, and a very decent bedroom. 2 bathrooms. Elevator building with an elevator operator right off Riverside Park on 72nd Street. Christopher Butt here with the Corcoran Group. Give me a call, email at cbutt@corcoran.com, so cbutt@corcoran.com, or 917-721-0202. And we'll see you in this beautiful space.